Well, what now? We got a crew together.
Hey, I got a great idea for a film. It involves a character named Betsy.
Lauren, that is a great idea. Kevin, I think we should do that.
All right.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Well, that was terrible.
I agree.
Why don't we just go back to our roots and do another dude report this time?
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Dudes Cooking Show. Yeah, that's right. The dudes are back, and probably for the only time ever.
Hasn't the idea for a cooking show been used 2 years ago by the dudes?
Wow, how original.
All right. I told you guys we were going back to our roots this time, okay? So today we're going to be making.
125 calories.
Not even good. That's start so delicious. Oh my god.
Okay. Those were simpler times.
This is already a train wreck.
All right, enough, Paul. We can't have two bad films in a row. We gotta do this. We gotta do it good. You just gotta believe. Okay, I trained with Gordon.
Trying.
I trained with Gordon Ramsay. Okay, I'm a top star chef.
We'll see about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you were starting off with? Today we're starting off with a all-natural recipe.
Yeah.
Are
that's
you
what
trying to push your vegan beliefs on us?
Of course not. I throw a book.
So, what do we need?
Well, it says it looks like we need eggs and vinegar.
It's not vegan though, alright?
That sounds gross. Let's get those eggs.
Got the eggs, guys. Dang it.
Great job.
Yeah.
What about the vinegar?
Wait, vinegar?
Vinegar. You said you had the vinegar?
Alright, let's get started on this, guys. So, who's gonna make a chicken with me? Alright, so obviously we need water for our chicken.
And of course, we only use the best water here at North Penn, the Oasis.
Alright, fill me up.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
What?
We're making a short film.
We're doing stuff. With cooking.
I told you guys you could film in here, but I didn't tell you guys you could use all our stuff and cook. So
Oh.
I'm really sorry, but you're gonna have to go somewhere else. You can't be in here.
alright. So, alright.
This is my onion powder, so I'll just take it with me.
Hey,
Okay.
yeah. I'll take this too.
Understand.
I got it. Alright. We're outside, looking for natural ingredients, and where'd Paul go?
Do you really trust him after what he did to the eggs?
I mean, we had more eggs, but
we can't have another Paul.
yeah, you're right. So, we're looking for natural ingredients right now. So let's go see what we can find.
All right. Come. Hey, what's this? What is it?
It's a chicken. Oh, nice. A whole raw chicken. Perfect. So, naturally, we found our ingredients. And to cook anything, you're gonna need heat.
You know how to make a fire?
Obviously, yeah. So, now that we got the fire prepared, we gotta put the chicken in the fire to cook it. But you gotta make sure to do it very carefully now. Hey, what are you doing? You're telling me to put the chicken in the fire! We got the chicken cooking, and it's finally done. Let's see how it turned out. Alright. This chicken looks good, guys. Can't believe we made it all ourselves.
Yo, we even made barbecue sauce, man.
Oh, dude, that's crispy. Open that up.
Oh yeah.
That's good. But there's no way we're gonna be able to eat this all ourselves. Yo, cameraman, come on in here. Come on over here, man. Yeah, come on.
Thanks. Wow.
Eat some. Yo, gotta eat the barbecue sauce too. All right. Go. There we go. Set this down. Give that to me. All right, I think that's all the time we have for you this month, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at MPHS_short film crew. Sorry, I have food in my mouth. And we'll see you next month with our next short film.